In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Zapya app not working. So if Zapya application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. If the application still does not work, there might be some bugs in the app. In order to fix it, what you have to do is update it. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Zapya. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Zapya and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it. Wait for a while and the application will be updated. Now all the bugs should be fixed and you should be able to use the application. If the app still does not work, what you have to do is clear the cache of the app. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find the application for Zapya and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info. Now after you do that, in the app info interface, tap on this option storage and cache. Now over here you can see two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now once the cache has been cleared, your problem should be fixed. If the app still does not work, what you have to do is simply uninstall the application and install it again. After that it will work. But sometimes there can be some temporary software glitches in the device itself. So in that case, what you have to do is restart your device. Long press on the power button. Now tap on the option restart and the device will be restarted. Now after that you can simply try using the Zapya application and it should work. So that is how you fix Zapya app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.